it's time to rise and shine. So let's start with brushing our teeth and then drawing. This is the way we draw our brush, draw our brush, draw our brush. That's right. This is how we draw a toothbrush. Amazing, isn't it? It's super easy to do. Just pause the video and copy what we're doing. Let's do some stripes. And now a set of teeth. We always start our day with a big, bright smile. Yay! Now look at this set of teeth. White and shiny. Woohoo! Bright and neat. And now a tooth. So tell me, kids, what do you have planned for today? Are you going to school? Doing your homework? Playing with your friends? What else? Tell me. A very happy tooth it is. Now, let us draw some toothpaste. Everybody likes a fresh minty toothpaste, don't they? Or perhaps you like a different flavour. What about strawberry or even mango? It's important that we always brush our teeth to keep them nice and healthy. Just like a nice, healthy outline. We're outlining all of our pictures so we can get ready to colour and paint. What other activities do you have planned for your day? How about some sports? How about some cooking? Do you like to bake? I love baking. Cupcakes. Healthy ones, of course. We got to keep our teeth in good condition. Here we go. Let's use some yellow for the toothbrush. I have a yellow-coloured toothbrush. What colour is your toothbrush? Doing a great job. Let's do the stripes. How about red colour? Very cool. Wow, looks amazing. Now some green for the toothbrush bristles. Perfect. How about a blue minty toothpaste? Yay! And let's add some flavour, some pink for strawberry flavour. Yum, yum. Right, onto the mouth. We're going to do red, bright lips. Perfect. Tell me, children, what other things do we do in the morning? We have breakfast, we get dressed, we brush our hair. Maybe you even read a book or have some playtime. Then, of course, we brush our teeth. Perfect peachy inner mouth. Now let's do some purple for the toothpaste on our tooth. And some yellow. And let's do different colours for every stripe of toothpaste on our tooth. Green. Now some pink. What colour shall we do for the last stripe? Blue. Brilliant choice. Wonderful. Now let's use some pink for the blush. Rosy cheeks. Hee hee. Excellent. Yellow for our toothpaste. Yes, we're on to our last picture now. Painting makes me so happy. How about you? Now red in between the yellow. Wonderful. Now moving on to purple. Oh, this has got to be my all-time favourite colour. How about you? What's your favourite colour? You like rainbow? Me too. It has all the colours in it. Nice bright green for the middle there. Perhaps you could paint your toothpaste tube the colour of the flavour of toothpaste you like best, like pink for strawberry. Just perfect. And we're almost there. Just the bottom part, which is going to be blue and yellow to finish. Wow! It looks like we're done painting. This is a brilliant start to the morning. Do you agree, kids? Now, let us go and brush our teeth. Bye-bye. Good morning and good day.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.